Hello, and welcome to this presentation of the Bitdefender security solution brought to you by Envoy Data. My name is Andrew, and I will be your presenter. Today I will be talking about the features of Bitdefender's Gravityzone and Bitdefender as a company. Bitdefender is a Romanian-based company, and like many Eastern European nations, has a strong background in science and engineering. Recently, Bitdefender received recognition as a visionary by the Gartner report and is always looking to innovate its product to keep ahead of the competition. In today's market, there are always going to be new threats and viruses that have to be prevented. Bitdefender offers a strong product that is able to meet and exceed the need of keeping endpoints and networks secure. Bitdefender is part of a global protective network of over 500 million endpoints worldwide that include physical and virtual desktops, laptops, and servers. What this means is any endpoint with the Bitdefender endpoint security tool installed will upload discovered virus signatures to the Bitdefender cloud for any of the 500 million protected endpoints to access, and this all happens in a 3-second time frame. Bitdefender's Gravityzone is a leader among its peers in independent testing, offering a strong, thorough security product that does not put a strain on the endpoint or network resources. Gravityzone's most important feature is its 3-tiered protection. At the first layer is virus definitions. Just like any antivirus, it pulls from a database of known viruses and malware, but this doesn't address unknown intrusions or zero-day threats. This is covered by the second layer, known as the Behave module. What the Behave module does is takes any newly introduced file or application and runs it in a sandbox in real time and checks what the program is going to do when it interacts with the system and takes action accordingly, quarantining and disinfecting the intrusion or allowing it into the system if it does not detect any malicious intent. This all happens in milliseconds and will never be noticed by the user. The third layer is Bitdefender's Behavioral Heuristics module, known as Advanced Threat Control. When an object is allowed by the Behave module to interact with the system, Advanced Threat Control monitors the program's behavior and keeps an active scorecard for it, and if the amount of suspected malicious actions hits a certain threshold, Bitdefender will quarantine the object and allow the user to take action on it. Gravityzone utilizes 3 types of scanning: local, hybrid, and smart centralized scanning. Local scanning is your typical full AV agent deployed onto an endpoint, best utilized for powerful workstations and servers. Second is the hybrid scanning agent. The hybrid agent is a lighter footprint client deployed onto an endpoint that utilizes cloud-based resources for scanning and signatures. Best used for the average desktop and virtual machines. Last is the smart centralized scanning. Smart centralized scanning is a virtual machine deployed on a server in an environment that will offload scanning tasks and resources from virtual and physical machines on the network onto itself, reducing the workload on machines in the network, which is ideal for large virtualized environments. The features of Gravityzone are all part of one architecture, one console, and one endpoint agent. It's basically one pane of glass, making for very easy management and deployment. That wraps up my presentation for the features of Bitdefender. Please proceed to the next video for a technical presentation of the Gravityzone console. Thank you for your time.